Hey man, what it is, man? This Boosie, you know what I'm saying? This song here about my life, my main problems I got in my life, man. Why y'all saying, well, I don't like Trey, why I ain't going to school, they here till it all. I'm explaining why I don't go to school, and I'm explaining why I don't like Trey. So y'all can know, so y'all can start asking all that push, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Time almost died, man. 09, almost died, you know what I'm saying? I still remember that joke. Started in 09 at the time. I was always trying to do good in the school. Every time I see Coach Booker, he never in no mood. Every time they ask for something, you always be rude. Shoot up through class, the only thing you rude. Always keep me out shit I wanna learn, and I wanna burn. Like this is roast time, it's your turn. Your face remind me of a fucking worm. Try to keep me all the way.
So I bought, stay off of YouTube, looking back into the police. Bitch, I don't give a fuck. If you lie on me, I'ma fuck you up. So he lied. They gave me 10 to the high. They told me to leave, but I didn't. I went back where he was and tried to fuck him up. I ain't even hit him. He just thought guard up. Yeah, cold got me and locked me up. Locked me up 30 days. Shit, man, it was my first time. For some bullshit. Shit. Publicity, made me do time. Now I got that, now that nigga high. Straight doing time, yeah, I'll get him down. Y'all know I ain't lying. Start to get your one, you can get it anytime. Just know when I see you, I'ma pop you with that eye. 2010, finally here. Ain't no key, he in room, from ear to ear. Later on that year, me and Trello be beefing. That nigga say he gonna kill me, that's why we beefing. I told him when I see you, I'ma beat your ass. Got my phone talking shit. That bitch Coco Loc told him why I stay in shit. Months later, Pee-wee died. I tried to side. Trey, no need to hide. In December, I got locked up again. When I saw you, I wanna fight, cause I know I'm win. So we got all win. I beat your ass. To be real, I had one fight all your ass. Coco Loc, yeah, I would beat your ass. Boy, telling him why I stay. But he just let me go female. Whatever, homie. This whatever, homie. This whatever, Loco, girl. Yeah. Baby, lucky you a female. Fuck all I need, y'all. That's right. Bitch ass, nigga. Bitch ass, go Boosie, nigga. This on my trade, broke Boosie, got all the niggas, man. Y'all know it, man. Know it, man. Y'all know it, y'all. Know it, nigga. Bitch. Can't feel. Oh, yeah. Go Boosie, you a bitch, nigga. Girl, you a bitch, nigga. I know the bitch, nigga. All y'all nigga, bitch, nigga. All y'all nigga. I see you nigga, like some nigga, I shoot your motherfucking ass, nigga. I talk shit, not your bitch ass, nigga. Yo, little nigga. Boosie Loc, nigga.